topic that we are going to see today is graph. So first we will see what is graph. Graph is a non-linear type of data structure where we connect different nodes by edges. This is called as a nodes, whereas this connecting is called as edge. Edges can be either directed or undirected. So on that basis, the graph can be either directed graph or a undirected graph. Now, graph, we are having two traversing technique, depth first search and breadth first search. Now we have to see the working of both of these, as the gate questions can be asked on DFS and BFS. So let us consider this graph. I have considered this graph, and on this I am going to apply first DFS and then breadth first search. So before that, we have to see what are the characteristics of depth first search and breadth first search. Depth first search works on stack. Depth first search works on stack, and whatever the sequence we got is a pre-order sequence of that graph, whereas breadth first search works on queue and level, it gives the output as a level order. Now we will apply first depth first search on this given graph. As we are using a stack, we will consider one stack. So we will start from 1. So 1 will be first visited. After that, the neighbors of 1, that is 2 and 3, will be visited. Now next, as it is a stack, the topmost element will be removed, that is 3. Then the neighbor of 3, that is 6 and 7, will be visited. After that, the 7 will be removed from the stack, and the neighbor of 7, that is 8, will be inserted. Then the 8 will be removed, and the neighbor of 8, that is 4 and 5, will be pushed onto the stack. So in this way we will get the sequence of breadth first search. Now to get the sequence, we should know how the elements get popped from the stack. So first we have visited 1. So 1 will going to come last. So whatever the elements has been popped, that will become the sequence of your depth first search. Next we have to see what happens in breadth first search. In breadth first search we are having queue. So in breadth first search, first we are visiting 1, and the neighbor of 1, that is 2 and 3, will be inserted. As in queue we are having front end and rear end. From front end we will remove the element, and from rear end we will append the element. So when I remove 1, the neighbor 2 and 3 will be inserted. When I remove 2, the neighbor of 2, that is 4 and 5, will be inserted. When I remove 3, the neighbor of 3, that is 6 and 7, will be inserted. When I remove 4, the neighbor of 4, that is 8, will be inserted. So the sequence we got is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is a level order. Level 1, then level 2, then level 3, and lastly the level 4. That's why in breadth first search, what output we are getting is level order, whereas what output we get in DFS is pre-order. So this is how BFS and DFS differ. Now let us see one simple example which is asked in a gate examination based on breadth first search. As we know, in breadth first search, queue will be used. Now they have given some sequences, and they have to find out whether which one is correct for breadth first search. So we will start from the solution itself. That is, first we have visited M. As it is non-directed graph, we can start from any starting point. So here we have started with M. When M is visited, all its neighbor will be inserted in a queue. So M, Q and R is the neighbor of M that will be inserted. Now if you see, M and O is present in a queue instead of NQR. So first sequence cannot be the answer. Next, we have started with N. First we have visited N, then the neighbor of N, that is M, Q and O, should be inserted first. But whereas we are having Q and M, but instead of O we are having P. P. So this cannot be the answer. The next, we are having Q as a starting point. So Q is my starting point. The neighbor of Q is MNOP. So MNOP. R should not be there as R is not the direct neighbor of Q. So this cannot be the answer. The last option is, first we have visited the P, and the neighbor of P is O and Q. So it's correct. We have visited P, then the O and Q. The next element that is visited is O. So we have to insert the neighbor of O, which is N. Then we have visited Q, and we have to insert the neighbor of Q, that is M. Then we have visited N. Then we have visited M, and the neighbor of M is R. So the last option is the correct answer. So this is how we have to find out the correct sequence for breadth first search. The next topic that has been asked in a GATE examination based on a graph is a topological sort. Now before we start, we will see what exactly the topological sort is. Here we are having a directed graph, and we have to find out the topological sort sequence of this graph. Now first let us see what are the steps for finding out the topological sort. First, note down all the nodes of your graph A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Once you have noted down the nodes, find out the in degree of that graph. Now in degree is nothing but the incoming edges of that graph. If we see the point A, we are having a single incoming edge. So the in degree of this A is 1. Then the in degree of B is 0, as both are going outside. Then the in degree of C is 3. The in degree of D is 1. The in degree of E is again 0. The in degree of F is 2. And the in degree of G is 0. Now here first we have to put all the 0 in degree elements or nodes into Q. Now we can see there are 3 nodes which is having in degree 0, that is B, E and G. So here we can put them in 3 factorial ways, because it can be either BEG, it can be either BGE, it can be EGB, it can be EBG, or it can be GBE, GEB or GBE. So there can be any of this sequence will be correct. So for topological sort, it is not compulsory to have a single sequence, but we can have more than one sequence. So this is how many sequence you can have. So first we will having the B. So what we do is, once we have visited B, whatever with the neighbor of B, the in degree of that neighbors will be reduced by 1. So here we are having F and D as a neighbor. So the in degree of F and D will be reduced by 1. As we see that the in degree of D becomes 0, we can insert it into a Q. Then next we have visited E. So when we visited E, we will make its neighbor, that which is C, in degree less than 1. We have to decrement the in degree by 1. Next we visited G. G, the neighbor of G is A and F. So we will decrease the degree in degree of A and F by 0. Now if you see, A and F both become 0. So here also we are having two options, either we can insert AF or we can insert FA. Next we visit the D. D is having a neighbor B and C. So we will decrement the in degree of C by 1. Then we visit A. A is having a neighbor G and C. So we will decrement the in degree of C by 1. So it becomes 0. So lastly we visit C. So B, E, G, D, A, F, C. This will be the one sequence of topological sort. But this is not the only sequence. We can have other sequences also, which can be a combination of this. Now let us see what is the GATE question that has been asked on basis of topological sort. The question has been asked, the graph is given and it has been asked, what will be the topological sort for this graph? Now we have to find the topological sort for this graph. So first write down the nodes of this graph, and after that the in degree of each node. The in degree of P is 0 as there is no incoming edge. The in degree of Q is 3 as there are 3 incoming edge. The in degree of R is 2 and the in degree of S is again 0. Now you see that there are two nodes which is having in degree 0. So there can be a two sequence, either PS or SP. If we have visited P first, then the neighbor of P, that is Q and R, will be decremented by 1. Then we visit S. So the neighbor of S, that is again R and Q, will be decremented by 1. Next, the in degree of R becomes 0, so R will be inserted. When we visit R, the neighbor of R, that is Q, the degree will be decremented by 1. So lastly we visit Q. Again, if we have taken the sequence SP, then first we will visit the S, and the neighbor of S, that is Q and R, will be decremented by 1. Then we visit P. Again the neighbor of P is R and Q, so degree of R and P will be decremented by 1. So as the degree of R becomes 0, so R will be inserted first and lastly the Q. So these are the two possible sequences of topological sort for a given graph. So the correct answer is whichever is having these two sequences.